Good morning, all of my students. Today we will discuss about a new chapter, that is chapter 3, composition and the structures of the atmosphere. So at first, when we are starting the discussion about the composition, so at first the we have to know the atmosphere. So what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the layer that is the encompassing blankets of gas, that is called atmosphere. The layer that is the fully encompassed by some gases, that is called the atmosphere. And what is the structure of this atmosphere? So which things are included in this atmosphere? This is called the structure of atmosphere. That means in the atmosphere there are some gases and water vapor and the aerosols. These three are the main structures of our atmosphere: gas, water vapor and the aerosols. So which types of gas are mainly or the major gases in the atmosphere? That is mainly major gas is nitrogen, that is most in the atmosphere. 78% gas in the atmosphere are nitrogen and 21% is oxygen. And with these two gas, nitrogen and the oxygen, take the 99% place of the atmosphere, and the left 1% there is situated the other gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, helium, methane. These types of gases in left 1%. And the water vapor, and the water vapors, water released from the uh, plants when the trees are making their food. That time they released water vapor in the atmospheres, and by the heat of the sun, the water vapor is coming from lake, sea, ocean, etc. That's are the main sources of water vapor in the atmosphere. And the left is the aerosols. Aerosols means the teeny particles of the of some materials like dust and fly ash. These types of things are aerosol. So these are the main things in the atmosphere, and these things are togetherly called the compositions of the atmosphere. So I think students, you are understand how the atmosphere and the compositions of the atmospheres are made. Okay, thank you everybody.